Why is Earth's crust constantly destroyed and created? Imagine standing on a landmass that is slowly changing shape over millions of years. The ground beneath your feet is not as solid as it seems. It is part of a giant puzzle made of huge pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but very slowly. This movement is the reason why Earth's crust is constantly being destroyed and created. The process is called plate tectonics. Think of Earth's outer shell as a cracked eggshell made of large, rigid pieces that float on the softer, semi-molten rock below. These plates can be as big as continents or as small as a few kilometers across. They are always shifting, sometimes just a few centimeters each year. This movement is driven by heat from deep inside Earth, which causes convection currents in the mantle. These currents act like giant conveyor belts, pushing the plates around. New crust forms mainly at places called divergent boundaries. These are spots where two plates are pulling away from each other. When this happens, magma from inside Earth rises up through the gap. As it cools, it hardens into new crust, mainly forming underwater mountain ranges called mid-ocean ridges. This process constantly adds new material to Earth's surface. At the same time, old crust is destroyed at convergent boundaries. Here, two plates move toward each other. When an oceanic plate, which is denser, meets a continental plate, the oceanic plate sinks into Earth's mantle in a process called subduction. The sinking crust melts back into magma and is recycled inside Earth. This process pulls old crust back into the planet, balancing the creation of new crust. There are also transform boundaries where plates slide past each other horizontally. At these spots, the crust isn't created or destroyed but can cause earthquakes and change the landscape. This constant cycle of creation and destruction keeps Earth's surface in a state of flux. This process is unique to Earth among planets we know. It shapes mountains, volcanoes, and ocean basins. It also helps regulate Earth's climate and the cycles of water and carbon, which are vital for life. So, the reason Earth's crust is always changing is because of this ongoing movement of tectonic plates. It is what keeps our planet dynamic, constantly building new land and recycling old land back into the planet.